Hello traders. For today's video, I will uncover to you an absolutely amazing trading strategy that can make you a profitable trader. This trading strategy uses a combination of two free indicators. The strategy is so easy that it can be used by beginners. To prove that, I will test this strategy 100 times and I will share with you its amazing results. So if you want to know more about this strategy, make sure to finish this video. Now, let's get started. This strategy works on all small time frames starting from 5 minutes to 60 minutes. But to get the amazing results, I recommend using this strategy in a 5-minute time frame. Okay, let me show you how to create the setup step by step. By the way, if you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at ByBit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit ByBit through the link below this video. Through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $4,153. All right, let me continue. Click the indicator search tab and type in Supertrend. In this strategy, we will need this Supertrend plus that was created by Electrified. Now let me explain how this indicator works. The Supertrend indicator relies on two fundamental dynamic values, the period and the multiplier. This indicator is plotted on either above or below the closing price to signal a buy or sell. If the Supertrend indicator moves below the closing price, the indicator turns green and it signals an entry point to buy. If the Supertrend indicator moves above the price, the indicator turns red and it signals an entry point to sell. For our strategy, we will not be using the Supertrend in a standard way, but we're going to be using it with a goal to find the levels of support and resistance. Notice when the price action is approaching the Supertrend, it usually bounces off of it. So the idea of the strategy is to identify the trend direction first and enter the market when the price action makes a pullback. This strategy is effective in a trending market. However, when the market is moving sideways, we might encounter losing trades. And this is why we need to add the CE indicator to the chart in order to confirm the entries given by the Supertrend. Go ahead and click the indicator search tab. Type in KEXEI, select this indicator under Technicals. Now, let's access its settings. Go to the Style section and follow my lead. We need to modify a few items, so better watch carefully. CC is a momentum-based oscillator used to help determine if an investment vehicle is reaching a condition of being overbought or oversold. This technical indicator assesses this price trend direction and strength, allowing traders to determine if they want to enter or exit the trade. The indicator can be used to provide trade signals when it acts in a certain way. CE will help us identify the times when the price action is overbought and oversold levels during ongoing trends. If you didn't get it at first try, you can always rewind this video. While doing so, you can hit the like button. Entry conditions. Now that the indicators have been applied in the chart, let's take a look at when to enter into a position. For a long position, the following conditions will need to be met. First, we will need to make sure that the price action is moving above the Supertrend. This indicates that we are in the uptrend. Second, the price needs to make a pullback. During the pullback, the candlestick must be touching the Supertrend line. However, it must not cross or close below the line. Third, the CC must get oversold. This means that the line is below the negative 100 level. Lastly, the CC must break above the negative 100 level. To enter into a short position, we will have the opposite conditions. First, we will need to make sure that the price action is moving below the Supertrend. This indicates that we are in the downtrend. Second, the price needs to make a pullback. During the pullback, the candlestick must be touching the Supertrend line. However, it must not cross or close above the line. Third, the CC must get overbought. This means that the line is above the 100 level. Lastly, the CC must break below the 100 level. Entry and exit signal. Once all of the conditions have been met, we can now put a long position. Put your entry at the candle of the bullish candlestick that closes above the body of the most recent bearish candlestick. Place the stop loss slightly below the Supertrend line. For the take profit, we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. For taking a short position, put your entry at the candle of the bearish candlestick that closes above the body of the most recent bullish candlestick. Place the stop loss slightly above the Supertrend line. For the take profit, we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Backtesting. I hope you understand the rules of this strategy. Now, let's find out its true win rate. I backtested this strategy 100 times. Now, here are the results. Look at this chart. I've tried the strategy on Bitcoin using a 5-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 148 days with 70% win rate. If you have $1,000 as capital in your portfolio and use $50 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will end up having a 57% increase on your portfolio size, which will total to $1,570, $1.6 in final account size. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learn more in this video. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. As always, thank you for your time and see you on my next video. Goodbye.